Good morning students, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to study maths of class 4th. Today we are going to complete lesson 1 revision. Okay, so let's start. So all of you open page number 3, question number 7. So question 7 is put the correct sign, greater or smaller. First question is 6148 or 6137. So 6148 is greater than 6137. Okay. Now question number B. Question B is 8043 or 8132, which is greater. So 8132 is greater. Okay, it's very easy. Now question number C, 9143 or 9206. So which one is greater? 9206 is greater than 9143. Okay, now let's see question number D. So question D is 9499 or 9500. So 9500 is greater than 9499. So E, F, G is your homework. Now I hope this question is clear. It's very easy. Now let's see question number 8. Question 8 is rewrite the following in ascending order. Okay. So we all know what is ascending order, from smaller to bigger. Okay, from smaller to bigger. So let's see the smallest number in the given series. So the smallest number in the given series is 745. Okay, 745 is the smallest given number in the series. Now let's see the second smallest number. And the second smallest number is 5047. Now next is 7054, and the biggest number of the series is 7145. So it will come in at the end. Clear? Now let's see question number B. So in question number B, first of all we have to find the smallest number. So smallest number in the question number B is 5218. Then next smallest number is 8215. Then 22218, and the biggest number of the series is 28215. Clear? So as it is ascending order, we have to write in ascending order. So we are writing smaller to bigger. Now let's see question number C. So in question number C, the smallest number is 810. Okay, and the second smallest number is 68,548. Then this third largest number is 86,845, and the largest number of the series is 86,848. Okay, now let's see question number D. So the smallest number in D series is 775. Now next number 5175. Third number will be 55,775, and the largest number will be 75,757. Clear? So this question was, rewrite the following in ascending order. Now in question number 9, it is just opposite. Rewrite the following in descending order. So we all know in descending order, from bigger to smaller. Okay, from bigger to smaller. So in question number A, we have to find the biggest number. So in question number A, 9A, biggest number is 9,410. And now next number will be 9,140. Then third smallest number will be 9,014, and the smallest number of the series is 910. Okay, now let's see question number B. So in question number B, in this series the greatest number is 81,828. Next number will be 17,111. Third number will be, third smallest number will be 11,171, and the smallest number is 1,888. Clear? Now let's see question number C. So in this series the greatest number is 97,760, then 96,700, then 67,900, and then 9,900 is the smallest number. So I hope question 9 is also clear. It's very easy. Simply you have to write in descending order, means from bigger to smaller. Okay, now try D, E, F. Okay, it's your homework. Now let's see question number 10. Question 10 is, write the successors of each of the following. Okay, successors means plus 1. Okay, means whatever the number is given, the number plus 1 in the given number. Okay, or you can say the very next number of the given number is the successor. For example, 1. So what will be the successor of 1? Successor of 1 will be 2. Okay, we have already studied this. Now let's see question A. So question A is, we have to write the successor of 35,399. So the successor of 35,399 will be 35,400. Okay, 35,400. Clear? Now let's see question number B. Question B is 49,999. So what will be the just next number of 49,999? Yes, it will be 50,000. Okay, 50,000. Clear? Now let's see question number C. So question C is 50,099. So if you are going to add 1 in 50,099, what you will get? 50,100. Okay, so the successor of 50,099 will be 50,100. Okay, now question number D, E and F you have to do. It's your homework. A to C we have done. Now let's see question number 11. Question 11 is, write the predecessors of each of the following numbers. Now what is predecessors? Predecessors means just one number before, or you can say minus 1 of the given number. Okay, in successor just after the number, it means plus 1, and in predecessor just before the given number. Okay, for example, what will be the predecessor of 2? 1. Okay, the predecessor of 2 is 1. Clear? Now let's see question number A. So question A is 25,500. Okay, so what will be the number just before, or what will be the predecessor of 25,500? So 25,499 is the predecessor of 25,500. Okay, now let's see question number B. So question B is 38,290. So let's see what will be the predecessor of 38,290. The predecessor will be 38,289. Okay, now question number C. Question C is 44,140. Clear? So 44,140, and we have to write the predecessor or a just number before, or just a before number of 44,140. So it will be 44,409 will be the predecessor of 44,410. Clear? So I hope the questions are clear. Now question 12 and 13 is given. It's your homework. It's a very easy question. In this question you have to write, numbers are given. Question 12 is write the smallest number using the following digits only once. So in question A it is 2, 5, 8, 9. 4 digits are given and you have to write the smallest number using the given digits only once. Okay, so you try this at home. You have to do at home. It's your homework. And if you face any problem in 12 and 13, you can ask in the live classes. And then the same question in 13. In 12 you have to write the smallest number, and in 13 again you have to write the greatest number. Okay, again by using the digits once only. Digits are already given. Okay, so students, please revise this exercise. All of you are knowing the syllabus. Do all the questions which I have given and which I have given for the practice. Okay, thank you.